morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting, I thought I would share a fun gift idea, a practical gift idea for a mom with all boys, or a mom with a good amount of boys in her household. So the struggle has been reeled in my house with my husband and my two boys. Well, mostly just Chris and Sawyer, because they're the ones that use the bathroom upstairs. The pee is real up there, you guys. So I thought that the perfect gift for a mom with boys would be a Swiffer wet jet. This, I think, is going to change the game for me. So the Swiffer wet jet is priced for $11.99, the starter kit. And then the refills, the 12 count, these were $3.79. So you get a gift under 15 bucks. That is going to be like a lifesaver for a mom. So this is actually a dry and wet. So you can do the dry Swiffer sheets or the wet Swiffer sheets, and then there's a $1 coupon you could send to your Target Circle, so it makes this guy $10.99. So I thought that this is a practical gift that you can gift a mom that has some boys in her life. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting. I'll have both of these linked below. You can just get it straight through Target, and they have a gift card promo running. When you spend $25 or more on cleaning care, then you're gonna get a $5 Target gift card. If you have some points in your Fetch Rewards account, you can go ahead and just cash in some of your points, and then you could just, you know, pay less out of pocket if you have a Target gift card. So I thought that this was a really fun and practical gift idea for a mom with some boys in her life. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys all later. And comment below what your favorite movie is to be entered to win my holiday giveaway that's going on. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.